The father of modern medicine, Hippocrates, famously said, "Our food should be our medicine, and our medicine should be our food." But in reality, the reverse is always the case. In this video, I will show you how to naturally shrink fibroids by following a simple, inexpensive, healthy, balanced diet so that your food can become your medicine. Let's get to it. Quick question. Have you ever started a healthy diet plan only for you to go back to your old habits 2 to 3 days after? I know I have. Starting and maintaining a healthy diet is not an easy task. However, with the right knowledge, resource, and plan in place, you won't have to feel overwhelmed and alone anymore. When I first started my fibroid healing journey, I couldn't figure out what to eat or stay away from. Every single article and books that I came across were always vague, so they were unhelpful. I wanted something more explicit, but I couldn't find what I needed online. So I dove into research and created the best meal plan that worked for me. Fibroids develop and grow by feeding on fat cells like excessive estrogens. To shrink and eliminate fibroids from your body, these are 2 steps to consider. First, you have to cut out estrogen-boosting foods from your diet. And second, you need to start eating fibroid-shrinking foods regularly. To shrink and eliminate fibroids from your system, you have to stop them from growing first. And you can do that by starving them of their food source, such as estrogen-boosting foods. Foods that would increase your estrogen levels include commercially raised meat and dairy products, refined sugar, soy products such as soy milk, tofu, and soybeans. Others include alcohol abuse, white rice, white flour, white pasta, and white bread. All soft drinks with added sugar, including fruit juice, unless if cold pressed. Canned or packaged foods with added sugar, dyes, and preservatives containing xenoestrogens. Also, stay away from songs, TV shows, movies, news channels, social media content and accounts, and people who trigger negative emotional distress in you. Poor diet is not the only thing that boosts your estrogen levels. The type of people you are exposed to and the kind of content that you consume on a regular basis can also affect your stress hormones, leading to hormonal imbalance and fibroids development, and the list goes on. Our body needs both micro and macronutrients to function throughout the day. This video only covers macronutrients since I already did a complete video on micronutrients. The link to that video is in the description. You can watch it to learn more about the micronutrients that would help you shrink and eliminate fibroids. According to the FDA, the recommended daily macronutrient value for women are based on a 2,000 calories balanced diet. A balanced diet consists of nutrients rich in vitamins and minerals, such as a healthy carbohydrate, proteins, fat, and water. To get an adequate nutrient for your fibroid healing journey, you need to eat healthy carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates are macronutrients from starch, sugar, and fibers found in vegetables, fruits, milk products, and grains. Carbs are vital because they are our body and brain's primary energy source. We all need carbohydrates to function in our daily lives, but carbs should be consumed in moderation, mainly in fiber-rich foods like vegetables, fruits, milk products, and grains. Because gut dysbiosis contributes to hormonal imbalance and fibroids development, feeding your gut with healthy carbs in the form of fiber-rich foods will boost your fibroid healing journey. Although the stomach cannot digest fibers or use them as nutrients for the body like other food sources, they are broken down and fermented by enzymes from microbes in your colon. So although your body cannot digest fiber-rich foods, your healthy gut bacteria will benefit significantly from the fermentation that occurs when those indigestible fibers pass through your colon, which is a great way to improve the diversity of your gut microbes. Not only do fiber-rich foods improve gut bacteria, they also promote regular bowel movements, reducing the chances of constipation and estrogen dominance. Now, if you're like me and you need a more detailed resource to help you create your own unique fibroid healing diet plan that is simple, inexpensive, and works, here is the list of macronutrients that I created during my own fibroid healing journey. It eventually became a part of the resource in my book, Healing Fibroids. When I created this resource, I wanted it to be as simple as possible. So for each macronutrient, I included their serving size, calories per serving, and their nutrition facts per serving. I really don't mind sharing this resource with anyone who may need it. This way, you don't have to worry about what type of carbs, protein, and fats that you should or should not eat during your fibroid healing journey. Lean proteins are the second macronutrient that provide the body with sufficient energy to function throughout the day. Protein is a significant element that cells use to create a structural system for hormone development. Therefore, maintaining normal hormone levels requires sufficient consumption of lean proteins, because eating the traditional proteins such as meat and dairy products may wreck your hormones. I would recommend eating lean proteins from nuts, seeds, eggs, and deep sea cold water fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel. Leave me a comment below if you would like me to send you the link to access the resource, the macronutrient resource that I shared with you earlier. This way you don't have to worry about what type of protein are healthy and unhealthy for you. Fats are essential macronutrients, but some fats are healthier than others. Unlike carbs and protein that provide 4 calories per gram, fats provide 9 calories per gram, which is why the daily recommended value is way lower than that of carbs and protein. In general, fats containing omega-3s and omega-6 essential fatty acids are good fats with health benefits if and when taken in the proper ratio. Omegas are polyunsaturated fats that are essential to your body. However, because your body cannot produce them, you need to get them from your diet to maintain a healthy body. Omega-3s are anti-inflammatory nutrients in walnut and walnut oil, fish oil, flax seeds and flaxseed oil, fatty fishes like mackerel, tuna, and salmon, and also green leafy vegetables. Because they have anti-inflammatory properties, omega-3 essential fatty acids help to relieve severe symptoms associated with fibroid conditions such as severe cramps, pelvic pains, and help keep blood platelets from clumping together. Omega-6 fatty acids also work in tandem with omega-3s to provide many health benefits, one of which is maintaining the reproductive system. Although omegas have proven health benefits, studies show they could pose health risks if the correct ratio is not taken. Omega-6 high levels are present in some nuts and seeds, refined vegetable oils, and meals prepared with them. However, large consumption of omega-6 fatty acids like sesame, soy, sunflower, corn, and safflower oils can promote inflammation, especially if hydrogenated to extend their shelf life. So I would recommend taking them in moderation. And if your current diet lacks omegas, you can supplement a blend of omega-3 and omega-6 essential fatty acids, which is what I do. Also, links to where I get my supplements and natural herbs are in the description below. I am not in any way affiliated with any of these stores. I just love their products because they are very inexpensive, organic, and vegan as well. So you can try them out and see if you would like any of their products. but I would recommend them because they're really good. Again, leave a comment below if you would like me to send you the links to access the resource that I showed earlier. This resource was really helpful for me in navigating my diet throughout my fibroid healing journey. So I really hope it would help other people out there. So you can leave me a comment and I will be sure to reach out to you. Bethany Frankel beautifully said, "Your diet is a bank account. Good food choices are a great investment. Poor diets are bad investment." If you really want to shrink and eliminate fibroids from your system, you would need to start eating foods that will help you achieve your goal and stay away from foods that may keep you from achieving them. Everything we do in life needs time to work long term, and I really hope your present condition allows you enough time to follow your plan through and through. That is all I have for this video, and I really hope this video was helpful to you. And if it was, please go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button, and you can go ahead and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. And I hope to see you next time. But until then, bye for now.